A man realizes his true power when he has no choice but to become powerful. Because man is strong not by his body but by his courage. And courage, otherwise the elephant would have been the king of the forest instead of the lion. If someone criticizes you, it's a shame to realize that he thinks he's far behind you. Because the one who has his eyes is not on the faults of others, but on his own destiny. So, instead of looking at the bad things of others, look at your good things. And it should always be remembered that to clean a vessel, one needs to wash less from the outside and more from the inside. That's why running away from your suffering and turning away from the truth and closing your eyes never avoids troubles. That's why don't be afraid of any trouble, and always remember that trouble never opens anyone's eyes. Someone has said well that if you work for happiness, you will not get happiness. If you work for happiness, you will get happiness. Nothing is found in the world without hard work. Even I found my shadow after drinking. It is true that nothing happens according to the plan. But if I do not plan, then nothing happens. The bitterest truth of our life is that if we want to gain something, we have to lose something for it. If you want to be successful, don't find out how people have succeeded, but find out what they did when they failed. Because you will get the real lesson not from their success, but from their failure. Success is like the morning. It comes not by asking but by waking up. Friends, always remember that this life is not easy. You have to make yourself strong. The right time never comes, you have to bring it. And always remember that to achieve success, you have to go it alone. Those who have the courage to walk alone have a caravan behind them. People will continue to throw stones. It is up to you whether you make your own way or make away with those stones. Therefore, keep that arrow of effort alive in the quiver of courage.